In this tutorial, I will teach you how to get start working on .NET applications. But before going forward, let me explain the tool which we will use for development is Visual Studio. It is an integrated development environment developed by Microsoft that supports many aspects of software development such as graphical user interface, console-based applications, web-based applications, mobile applications, cloud, and web services. By using Visual Studio, which includes compilers, code completion tools, graphical designers, and many more features to enhance the software development process. In this series of sessions, we will cover console-based applications and form-based applications. But before going into that details, let's understand the basic of Visual Studio environment. Visual Studio Integrated Development Environment, you will create a simple C# applications that has a window-based user interface UI. In order to create a C# application project, the project type comes with all the templates files you will need before you have even added anything. If you prefer, you can refine your search to quickly get to the template you want. .NET provides a rich set of application templates you can choose from. For example, enter or type window form apps in the search box. Next, select C# from the language list and then select Windows from the platform list. For this example, let's leave everything as a default values. So as you start a new application, it will take some time to configure all the tools which is used to design UI. This is our main area where we used to write code. You don't need to know everything at once. As we move forward with our tutorial, we'll cover almost all aspects of Visual Studio. Right now, just need to focus on Solution Explorer, Toolbox, and Properties windows, and as well as adjusting components as per your project requirement. Solution Explorer contains all the files to the project or solutions. You can open multiple solutions at the same time. Whereas Properties windows list all the properties of the class object. In the coming section, we will explore Visual Studio by creating new project, how to run your code, how to launch and send feedbacks, how to manage your files, projects and solutions, and how to add controls to your UI.